A resistor, the size of a grain of rice, was supposed to ruin everything. By every rule of electrical engineering, it was the wrong part. Instead, it changed medicine forever. This is the story of the most important mistake you never heard of. Wilson Greatbatch is building a heart recorder in his workshop. He grabs a resistor, solders it in, flips the switch. The machine doesn't record, it pulses. Blip, silence. Blip, silence. Every second, exactly like a human heartbeat. The device isn't listening to the heart, it's imitating one. Back then, heart block was a death sentence. Patients relied on pacemakers the size of refrigerators plugged into walls. If the power failed, the heart failed. Greatbatch wasn't a doctor, just an engineer in a barn, but he had $2,000 and a crazy idea. What if the pacemaker lived inside the body? Doctors said it was heresy. Electronics inside the human body? Impossible. The body's corrosive, batteries are toxic. Surgeons remove things, they don't implant machines. Greatbatch ignored them. The circuit wasn't the only challenge. The packaging was the true enemy. Tape failed, resin cracked, body fluids shorted every prototype. He experimented with mercury batteries, developed encapsulation using epoxy designed for marine environments because nothing else worked. Then, epoxy made for boats finally worked. Finally, he connected with Dr. William Chardak, a surgeon willing to test it. A 77-year-old man, complete heart block, no options left. They implanted Greatbatch's device, size of a hockey puck, leads to the heart. They closed the incision, turned off the external machine. The room fell silent. Then, lub, dub. The heart kept beating. For the first time in medical history, a fully implanted electronic device sustained human life. The patient lived another 18 months, passed from unrelated causes. The impossible had become standard practice. Within a decade, implantable pacemakers were saving thousands. Today, millions rely on versions of that same technology. Greatbatch didn't stop. In the 1970s, he helped develop the lithium iodine battery, extending pacemaker life from months to years. Over 150 patents, National Inventors Hall of Fame. But the origin story stayed simple. A mistake. A resistor pulled from the wrong compartment. An engineer curious enough not to dismiss what he saw. Wilson Greatbatch, 1919 to 2011. He grabbed the wrong part and gave the world a heartbeat.